How to fix you have too many friends on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will fix if you're getting the you have too many friends on Snapchat message. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you get that kind of message, it means you have hit Snapchat's friends limit, and here's how you can fix it. First of all, try to remove some of your friends. So tap on your profile from the top left. Here scroll down a bit and head towards my friend. So from your friend list, you can remove some of your friends that you no longer interact with or don't need to have on your list. So in order to remove them, tap and hold onto their name. From here, tap on Manage Friendship and here tap on Remove Friend, and then that contact will be removed from your friend list. Here, find some of the accounts that may no longer be active, so you can also remove those accounts to make space for your new friends as well. If you have added a lot of random or spam accounts, consider removing them as well. Sometimes you may have added people to group chat that are no longer needed. You can remove them from this group, which will help you reduce your friend count as well. But if you continue to experience these issues, you have to contact to Snapchat support for further assistance. So by removing some of your friends and cleaning up your friend list, you should be able to fix your issue and add new people. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.